is what I started with. Our impact. The little Google bought this. This is mine. This is mine. This is whatever. Oh. This was my first set. Ratchet. Ghetto. Extension. This is what I started with. This box was up here. This one was always down here. Just mess, whatever. That's what I started with. That's where I'm at. In honor of paying it off. Start with extensions. I don't have many. It's enough for what I need, but they're shitty. So I'm gonna upgrade soon to some good ones. Cause they like hang off of my gun and shit. It's annoying as fuck. And then some bits and shit. Whatever. Chromes. I need some impacts and some locking ones. And then brackets. I don't have many yet. I'm working on that. But these are solid. Like I said, 1/4 inch. I just got this one, long 1/4 inch. And then this is my go-to. And then you have my long Cornwell one. A pocket screwdriver. Some more pocket screwdrivers. And then half inches. I got some coming on the way. This one, I need more organizers, but this one's for German, like brakes and shit, clutch. This one, I need more organizers. This one's still in the box because that's fucking standard, some shit. AutoZone, Trackers, Allens, Torx. I got more Torx, and then Torx Plus for security. And then these are my favorite sockets. These are my go-to. Like if I need to go to the other side of the shop, I'll bring this. 1/4 inch. I have more 1/4 inch. Magnetics. Standard. First drawer. Like my go-to shit. Got the electrics. I just bought this one off my coworker. This one. Plus this one with the charger. I gave me $80. My lights. I just got this one. Snappy. I just got this one today for the clamps, cooling clamps. My good dikes. Icon set. I need to get this. I need to get an organizers or some shit hanging off on the side. Drill bits. Oil wrench. Or poker wrench. And my coworker gave me these. And my pry tools. Torque wrench, 1/2 inch. It's the one that I bought for $100 off the tool truck. It was used. It was his old one, so I took that shit. And I'm working on the wrenches. I got some cheap V's for now, but I know what I need now. I'm gonna make space for my mountain, the ones that I need, mountain wrenches, and then the skinny ones for the brakes. And then I need some flex head, like these go flex. And then these are Husky. I need to get some good ones. These are shitty, not gonna lie. I need to get better wire brushes, some more picks. These are my go-to picks. And then diag drawer, trying to start it. Temp gauge, temperature, some of this, electrical shit, test light. Our multimeter, and then Macco set, background, solid, and miscellaneous stuff, batteries, more batteries, tape, my first flashlight, flash tape clips, charger, notebook, fucking roofies, more roofies, and then I'm saving this drawer for when I get bigger sets, like cooling pressure test set and like suspension kits, and then former funnels. These are mine, solid. Brake flush tool from Hella Freight. My bags. I just got this funnel organizer. Pretty sick. Solid setup for now. Oh.